Hi everybody, welcome back to Chapter 8 again. In this video, we'll calculate depreciation expense for a year in which management revises its estimate of the life of an asset and or the asset's salvage value. The formula we'll use for this calculation is book value of the asset minus revised salvage value divided by revised remaining useful life. Let's work an example. In January 20X1, a company acquired equipment for $4,300. At that time, the company estimated this asset to have a useful life of 5 years and a salvage value of $600. The company properly claimed $740 of depreciation expense for 20X1 and for 20X2. That's $4,300 of cost minus its salvage value of $600 divided by 5. And that does equal $740 of depreciation expense per year. And at the end of 20X2, the book value of the asset was $2,820, calculated as cost minus accumulated depreciation of $740 for 2 years equals 2,820 book value. So early in 20X3, when the book value of the asset was $2,820, the company revised the life of the asset to a total of 6 years and changed the salvage value to 0. What is the amount of depreciation expense for the year ended 20X3? We know what the book value is. We know what the revised salvage value is. Let's calculate the revised remaining useful life. We know that the total revised useful life was changed to 6 years. 6 years minus the 2 years that we've already depreciated the asset for 20X1 and 20X2. Means that the remaining estimated life is 4 years. Now let's calculate depreciation expense for 20X3 using this formula. Book value is given to us at 2,820 minus the revised salvage value of 0 divided by the remaining estimated life of 4 years equals $705 of depreciation expense for 20X3. Well, how much depreciation expense then should the company claim for this asset in 20X4, 20X5, and 20X6? I'll bet you have that figured out at $705 per year. And that's because it's straight line depreciation. You use the same depreciation amount each year unless some of the estimates changed. Now, the last question I want to ask you is, how much depreciation expense should the company claim on this asset for 20X7? I want you to pause your video, do some calculations, think about that, then come back and check your answer. And the answer is 0 depreciation expense will be claimed in 20X7 because by the end of 20x6, the asset will have already been fully depreciated. Remember, the maximum amount of depreciation that can be claimed over the life of the asset is its depreciable cost, and depreciable cost is cost minus salvage value. And in this example, it was $4,300 of cost minus the revised salvage value of 0. In X1, they claimed $740 of depreciation, the same in X2. Then in 20X3, 4, 5, and 6, they claimed $705 depreciation in each of those years, giving a total depreciation over the life of the asset of $4,300, its cost minus the 0 revised salvage value. Well, that's all for this video. When we come back in the next video, we'll talk about additional expenditures with respect to plant assets. Things like ordinary repairs, betterments, extraordinary repairs, revenue expenditures, and capital expenditures. See you next time.